So I tried the whole vlogging thing when I went to the Headphone Connect event, and it definitely doesn't work. So I am back here in my studio, and I thought I'll just give you a quick rundown. But instead of me giving you that quick rundown like I normally have before in the past, I decided to just try something new, because the Headphone Connect, I realized over the last few videos I did about it, is not really about me. It's not really about so much of the equipment that's there, but it's more about you. It's more about you going and experiencing it yourself. It's not it's not about everybody else's experience. It's about you being able to go and get your hands on some of this equipment and experience it. And by experience it, I don't mean just observe it and listen to music, but feel something different through music. So what I did do is, instead of telling you about all the stuff that I listen to, I decided to spend some time and say hello to a few people. And there were 4 very sweet and kind individuals who were more than willing to speak to me. And I decided to ask them 3 questions.
This is my first time.
This is the first time that I've come for the Headphone Zone event.
This is my second time coming to Headphone Zone.
This is my first time being here.
Surprisingly, this is the first week that I'm getting into the whole audiophile thing.
I think this was like my 101 class to kind of get an idea of the soundscape.
I've kind of tried it before, but never stuck to it because of the whole convenience factor. Because TWS and other headphone stuff, wireless headphones, are much more easier to handle and use.
It's been a pretty interesting day. I mean, I've been sort of just getting to talk to folks like you, giving me all the sort of essential vocabulary so I can sort of explain what I'm experiencing.
I have listened to Fio and certain Odyssey headphones. It's brilliant.
They're quite expensive for me, whichever I'm liking. So keeping my pocket tight, I'm just here for the experience right now.
So I think I tried the KZs, right? So I tried a couple of others as well.
So I came here for the Zero Reds, the Truth Your Clinical collaboration ones. I loved the music, but the fit was not good, so that's a surprise for me, a bad surprise.
And then there was one gentleman called Paul who let me try his stuff. And I mean, that was just wild. Those were the, which ones did you use?
A1000.
Yeah, the K1000s, right? Yeah.
nice,
Yeah,
nice.
those were brilliant.
According to my budget, I would say Odyssey, LC2 Classic.
Some KZs. I like the Chutus.
I was listening to some Hans Zimmer and, just getting that scape. I'm very happy. I was very happy with that. So that was sort of my, I think, like, I would consider today's experience, and that was sort of like the best I've heard today.
Okay, so
I will recommend something from my mother tongue, Tamil.
Lil Wayne's Lollipop thing. It has a good amount of bass. So I'm a bass heavy person, so I like to listen all the instruments in that. So that's good.
you can hear to Shanti people. So I've heard them live. And if you are into that zone that I want to trip on some music, so please do hear to Shanti people. I so love them. And it's an experience if you could just go and hear them in a concert as well.
I love dancing, so I kind of like music that has like good rhythm and stuff. But at the same time, I love watching movies. So there's also this large soundscape, cinematic scape.
You guys can listen to one of my favorite songs, all-time favorites. It's a bit old. This is from my college days. It's from an unreleased movie called Kadal Samrajyam. The song name is Ir Kangal Sollum Kadal Seiri.
My recommendations would be, any of the OSTs from Hans Zimmer. Like, I love Interstellar. I love what he's done with Dune. It's just phenomenal. Like, I just love that whole soundscape he's created for that film, and you should watch that movie, and then come and listen to the stuff.
So as you could see from all of their smiles and all of their experiences, it's more than just somebody on YouTube who's talking. It's not about me. It's not about anybody else. It's about the individual who wants to go and get their hands on better music, because better music is not just about listening to more detail. It's not just about being able to tap your foot to the music. It's not just about being exposed to newer genres of music. There's so much more to it. It transcends you into sometimes even a meditative state. You might just find yourself forgetting the rest of the world and all your problems when you find the right set of genres to listen to and the right set of headphones or earphones or even in some case some speakers to listen to. To a certain extent, music does have the power to heal, and it's all about getting your hands on equipment that you most likely wouldn't be able to on any given day. But Headphone Zone does give you this opportunity to do exactly that, and the fact that you're able to meet up with a whole lot of like-minded people and even hear sounds and experience your music like you never have before can really change the way you experience and feel your music. So if Headphone Zone is coming your way to your city, I would highly recommend it, and I think so would everybody else that I spoke to at this Headphone Connect event. And it's just worth forgetting about everything else and just trying to get your hands on this, because a lot of people who don't even realize that they are into music or certain genres of music suddenly have a spark that goes off when they do listen to the right set of headphones or IEMs or some speakers. So it's worthwhile heading on over to this event and really experiencing it. And I do wish you all the best in finding the sound that you are looking for. And of course, don't forget to say hi to the guys at Headphone Zone, because they are very helpful, and even all the fellow audiophiles around you are very helpful. There is no level of snobbery. And of course, if you do see me, feel free to say hello at any of these events if I am there by any chance. But of course, thank you for tuning to Paul's POV for some sound advice. Thanks so much, Kaushik, for this quick hello.
Yeah, thanks, Paul.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alex. Thank you. Thanks so much, Arvind. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Headphone Connect event, and all the best to you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I really enjoyed this. Yeah, cheers.